video vlog 2. Well, day 2. Harley and Scarlet are doing fine. Playing a lot. Scratching. They like to scratch and play. What are you doing? They look bigger today. I know it's only like one day, whatnot, but they're eating fine. I had to change their pit because they've done lots of toiletty problems in there. Well, not problems. Hello. Hello, gorgeous girl. We want to see you. Doing fine. They love to jump up and play. That's their little bed, I think, because every day now I've seen them just sleeping in that little corner bit of the chair. So I think that's their bed that they've made, so I can get rid of that one. What are you doing? To be honest, he's more the scaredy one. He's the boy. I'm not being like sexist or whatnot, but I always thought boys were brave and whatnot. I mean, girls are brave too, but in cats, I've always seen like the boy ones are always growing the biggest and whatnot. But actually, he's more scared than her, and she's bigger. If you can see, well, we can see his butt now, but she's bigger than him. I don't know if it's the fluffiness or whatnot, but if she's even heavier. Might work out differently when they're older. Might grow in size, but what are you two doing? You're just having a mad half an hour. Just got a little plaything. Just got a little ball in there. Come get the ball. What are you doing? Simpsons. Yeah, whatnot. They love the Simpsons. I really want to see if she does that thing on TV and go dim dim dim. But I don't think so. To be honest. Don't think so. Scarlet. They still don't know their names, so they just come to anything at the moment. But that's definitely Scarlet, and that's definitely Harley. So, yeah. I seem to be seeing the colour change a little bit in the tail. Like it used to be more white, but now it's going black. I know it's only after 2 days, but I think Harley's now in there as well. You can see his little tail at the end. Harley. I should get them when they're eating. They claw up your leg and everything. You hungry? There's food down, but I don't know. Maybe I have to put a new one. It's becoming lunchtime. Well, it's gone lunch now, isn't it? You guys are having a mad half an hour. It's hard to even keep up with them. Where's Harley gone? There he is. Hello, gorgeous boy. That's my foot. Hey, you gorgeous boy. She's mad, but she's very affectionate. I mean, she loves rubbing around your feet and your legs and whatnot, and she scratch her, she purrs. Harley, who's just climbed up the back of the chair, is a bit more timid, but when you get him like when you hold him and he knows he's secure, he'll finally fall asleep, and it's quite good. But this is only day 2, so we've still got more to see of them. And yeah, well, if you like what you've seen, then give us a like, and if you want to see more and see them grow and change into adult cats and whatnot, then please subscribe and watch the rest of the videos. And to that, I bid you farewell. You gonna say bye-bye, Scarlet? No? She's gonna play with you? No, she's gonna lick herself. Say bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye. He did it, he said it. He meowed.